Hey everyone, Miss Wecker here, and we're going to talk about number 5, board game designer. So when you look here in your Google Classroom, number 5, game designer, we're going to view this assignment, and the first one is to watch the video, which you're doing right now. Number 2, go to your board game designer journal Google Slides. They can be found in your Google Drive, and you're going to upload the images. So I would like for you to open up your board game designer. You can go to table of contents if you'd like, if you want to do a little more speedier action to get to these certain slides, like make your pieces. So you'll notice here I actually use golf tees. Like I said, you can totally recycle materials that are in your house. You do not need to go out and purchase anything. Okay, and then I also have an image here. I downloaded the Dice app. I'm very specific within the instructions right here. If you'll notice, I like this one. It's on Apple Store, and it's free. Dice by Benoit Layer. Sorry. And then here is the link to that right there. And then if you have an Android device, this is also a really awesome alternative. Okay. So I took a picture here of my phone using the Dice app. Okay. And then here I have a picture of my playing cards. So right now I'll show you a clip of what I am talking about. Now, as you can see here, I have the Dice app, and every time I click here, it changes the dice. These are my playing pieces. If you'll see, I recycled. I have golf tees, and these are my playing cards that I posted right there. So if you don't have dice hanging around, I highly recommend the app. It does not cost any money. I specifically linked it within the assignment instructions. I was planning on using these for the pieces, but I actually prefer these instead. They're a little bit more manageable. Okay, welcome back. So I'm going to show you, I always just like to review this, I actually put this image here. So I'm going to delete that. Right up here on this horizontal menu, I'm going to click on Insert, Image. I'm just uploading it. It says from computer, but if you were like on your phone or something, I'm going to go here to my board game pieces. And there we go. I can resize this. And then the same you're going to do with the dice and the playing cards. Now, if you decided not to do dice, if you wanted to use something else like a spinning wheel, or if you had a different idea that you wanted to use, please be as creative as possible. That's completely okay. And that's addressed inside the Google exit ticket. So let's get there. Within the instructions here, we did our board game designer journal slides. You're going to complete the number 5 game designer Google form exit ticket that's linked below. And then, oh, I need to bring this up. If you did do the app on the phone for dice, don't throw your phone. You just have to tap it. I'll actually show you right now what I'm talking about. So this is the Dice app, and then I just tap it and a new dice, oops, shows up on the screen. There was a little bit of a glare, but that actually changes each time. So you don't have to rattle it. Oh, I guess you can. Okay, but you don't have to throw your phone. Please don't do that. Okay, so here we are, number 5, game designer exit ticket. You are going to type in your full name, choose your grade, and then you're going to choose board game. You'll click next. And then here it just is a reminder to please make sure to go to your board game designer journal Google Slides to get full credit for this assignment. They can be found in your Google Drive. You could just search board game designer and then they should be there. And then you can upload the images. And then yes, some people have opted out of dice. We talked about it before. If you wanted to even change your mind now, that's completely fine. So you're going to answer these questions here. They are very specific about your game And then here's what I was talking about with the dice. So this is a drop-down menu, and it'll take you to a certain part of the exit ticket depending on your answer. So let's just say like I used the dice app. Okay, I'm going to click next. Oh, it actually makes me answer these questions, which is really important to note. So once you are done, please make sure that you click submit, you return back to Google Classroom, and then you click the button mark as done. When you click it, sometimes it'll ask, are you sure you don't want to upload anything? And then just continue and please click mark as done, because that will really cut down on those emails you're getting about late assignments. And then that's what we're doing this week. So very cool. I am definitely looking forward to getting more information about your game. So this week is your pieces, your playing cards, and your dice. Okay, I hope this finds you extremely well. You guys are crushing it. And then if you have any questions at all, please email me. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.